Hey everyone, it's TallGirlDani, and I am loving these twist out results. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. So I'm starting out on freshly washed and conditioned hair, shampooed and conditioned, and I had my hair in these two braids just to keep it stretched and detangled.
Sleep with one eye open.
So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my leave-in. I am using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. So with my hair just in two sections, I apply a good amount of the leave-in and really work it all the way through my hair from ends and then working up my way to the roots. And I'm using my favorite JBCO Rooted Treasure traditionally made organic Jamaican black castor oil. So that is the O in my lock method. So I start again at the ends and then work the oil up towards the roots of my hair. And I'm going to twist my hair and clip it out of the way. I'm going to be using a cream, but the cream is also my styling product. So I'm just going to do the same to the other side of my hair with the leave-in and the oil. I'm just sectioning off 1/2 of my hair. Well, a quarter, a half of the half. So that's a quarter. And I'm going to start with the small section in the back. I guess it's not a small section, a medium-sized section, and clip the rest out of the way. So now I'm going to apply my cream, which is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. I really like this product. It's a very thick and creamy consistency, and I found that it helps keep my hair really moisturized. So once I apply it through, I detangle even more with my paddle brush. I proceed to two-strand twist that section. So my hair is mostly detangled, but sometimes I still have to carefully finger detangle to separate it. And as you can see, I don't care about clean parts. I just separate mostly by feeling. And I've also applied more of the Jamaican black castor oil to the ends of my hair.
What would my future hold? What colors streak the sky of my tomorrow?
So here's what this side looks like almost done. And I kind of work in a weird direction. I start in the back, then I move to the front, and then I go to the middle on each section. So as you can see, the last twist that I do is in the middle of my hair. The middle of my hair is the most kinky, so that's where I tend to use smaller sections. So I'm back ready to unravel my twist now. And just as an FYI, this is a same day styling. So I washed my hair and I'm going out and unraveling my twist. They are not dry, but aside from that, the amount of definition that I got from using a combination of these products, the Mielle Organics Leave-In, Twisting Souffle, and Rooted Treasure Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I have so much definition, and it's crazy because my hair is not dry. So I can only imagine if I had time for my hair to dry overnight, how much better that would even be. So again, the definition is amazing on this chunky twist out. So because it's not dry and I have to go, I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow out my twists. So I had another video where I debuted this blow dryer. I really do like it. It's by Amika. It's called the Accomplice. And I'm using it on warm to blow out my twists where I feel they are the most wet. So I knew that my twists were wet when I unraveled them, but I choose to unravel the twist before blow drying it because I find that when you try to dry them while they're twisted, it doesn't get into the hair strand and it ends up still being wet when you unravel them. So now I'm just not so carefully separating my hair because I'm in a rush to leave. And for those of you who are wondering, I've been having some wrist pain, so that's why I'm wearing the brace. But again, I just separate my hair mostly by feeling, but also by look. In the front of my hair, I tend to not separate it as much because the front of my hair doesn't hold definition as well as other areas. So the next step is to go in with my wide tooth comb and pick my hair out. I don't have a pick. I don't know what happened to it. And I had a different wide tooth comb I used to really like to pick out my hair, and I can't find that either. So this has been what I'm using to pick out my hair. So now I'm just trying to figure out which way I'm going to wear it, where my part's gonna be. And my hair still wasn't dry in some areas, and it's cold outside, so I don't really want to go out with wet hair. That's not my thing. So I'm just going to continue blow drying it a little bit. So I think it's finally good now. So I'm just doing some last minute fluffing, but my hair has a lot of movement. It's really defined even though it wasn't dry. This is what I looked like as I threw my hood on, getting ready to go outside. It was a pretty cold night. Have you ever tried these products or combining them together? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.